Hello everyone, welcome to ConceptsEra. Today we are going to discuss another caselet based upon letter decoding. We have seen these kind of caselets are quite common in CAT nowadays. So let's get started and try to understand what exactly is given to us in the caselet. So there is a summation with letters A to G. So there are 7 letters here, and these letters are representing distinct digits from 2 to 9. So there are 8 digits here, and some extra information is given to us which will help us to decode this particular caselet. Over this caselet, we are having 3 questions here which we can easily answer if we are able to decode this particular caselet. So let's put the given information in better manner to make you understand thoroughly. So here we go. Here we are having 8 digits and summation which we supposed to decode here with the use of the given information. So let's see what is the information. The information here, out of CAE, 2 numbers multiplied to yield third number. The meaning of this sentence is C into E is equal to A, possible case. C into A is equal to E, another possible case. And A into E is equal to C, last possible case. These letters are representing single digit numbers. So we have to see what digits are satisfying these conditions. So we can write down here 2 into 3 is equal to 6, possible case. Similarly, we can write down 2 into 4 is equal to 8 is another possible case. Except these 2 cases, there is no other case possible here, because 2 into 5 will make it 2-digit number and not a single letter representing your 2-digit number. Similarly, 3 into 4 will also end up with a 2-digit number, which is not possible here. Now, if you see the letters here A, E, C, we have some more information about these letters. When we add these letters, then unit place of this addition is E, which is common here. So if we take first case, which is 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and add these numbers 2, 3 and 6 is equal to 11. Unit place of this summation is 1, and not a single letter is representing here 1, so this case is not possible. If I take the second case, which is 2 into 4 is equal to 8, and if we add these digits 2, 4 and 8 is equal to 14, and unit digit is equal to 4, and we can see here this unit digit is also common here. This is the only possible case which exists here, and in which we have already decoded E is equal to 4. So we can write here E is equal to 4 here. But we are not sure about A, whether A is representing 2 or 8. Let's assume A is equal to 2. If we assume A is equal to 2, in that case C has to be 8 here. So A is equal to 2 and C is equal to 8. Out of the given digits, we have used 2 here, we have used 4 here, and we have used 8 here. So now the remaining digits are 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Now if you look at this summation here, it says 8 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 14. So 4 is here and 1 is carry over. 1 plus 2 plus D plus 2, which is equal to 5 plus D, is equal to F in terms of unit place. D and F will be from the remaining digits. So if we say D is equal to 3 here, in that case F is equal to 8, which is not possible because 8 is represented by C here. If we take D is equal to 5, then F is equal to 0, which is not possible because not a single letter is representing 0 here. If we take D is equal to 6 here, in that case unit place comes out to be 1, which is also not possible because not a single letter is representing 1 here. If we take D is equal to 7, in that case 5 plus 7 is 12, unit place is 2, which is not possible because 2 is represented by A. And finally, if we take 9 here, 5 plus 9 is 14, so unit place is 4, which is also not possible because 4 is represented by E here. The meaning of this, our assumption is wrong. A cannot be 2, A should be 8 here. So let's put in the place of A, 8. So we put in the place of A 8, then C has to be 2. Now see the summation, 8 is here and G is here. And A and G are representing distinct digits. It means G cannot be equal to 8. And this is a summation, it means G should be greater than 8. When G is greater than 8, G should be either 9 or a 2-digit number. But we know from here, G cannot be a 2-digit number. So we can immediately say from here, G has to be 9 here. So we can fix G is equal to 9 here. So we have used 9 also. Now look at 2 plus 8 plus 4 is 14. So 4 is here and 1 is carry over. 1 plus 8 plus 8, which is 17, plus D is equal to F in terms of unit place. And D should be one of the remaining digits. So if we take D is equal to 3, in that case unit place comes out to be 0, which is not possible. If we take D is equal to 5, in that case unit place comes out to be 2, which is not possible because 2 is represented by C here. If we take 6 here, then unit place comes out to be 3, a possible case here because 3 is also there. And finally, if we take 7, it is equal to 4 in terms of unit place, which is not possible. So we can say from here, D is equal to 6 and F is equal to 3. So let's put D is equal to 6 here and F is equal to 3 here. So we have used 3 and 6 also. So we left with only one alphabet and 2 digits. Let's finish it off. We know 2 plus 8 plus 4 is 14. 4 is there, 1 is carry over. 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 23. 3 is here, 2 is carry over. And now 2 plus 2b unit place should be equal to 6 here. Now if we use 5 here, in that case unit place is 2, which is not possible. So we can immediately say from here b is equal to 7. So we got to know b is equal to 7 here. So you can see how easy this caselet was when you are following a systematic approach, which we have also discussed in previous caselets. So let's move further and solve questions based upon it. Now the first question is GDFE when divided by E gives the remainder of. So here E is 4. So whenever you are dividing a number by 4, you have to look for only last 2 digits. And FE are last 2 digits. And F we know is 3 and E is 4. So 34 divided by 4, remainder is equal to 2. So right answer for the question is 2. Second question is, which of the following letters represents a perfect cube? So we know from 2 to 9 there is only one letter which is a perfect cube, and that letter is 8. And 8 is represented by A here. So A has to be the right answer for this question. Look at the last question. Which letter represents a number which is twice of F? So F is here 3 and twice of 3 is 6, and 6 is represented by D here. So right answer for this question has to be D here. So this caselet was easy one, and we have seen these caselets in CAT. That's why I discussed also. So I hope you understood how to approach these kind of caselets. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.